Hello there. Look at this beautiful question from USA Mathematics Olympiad where we need to find the area in the blue. That means we have to calculate the area here. So this blue, this part here, and this part. So we have to calculate the area in the blue, and we have given a quarter circle. So this is the quarter circle here, a big size quarter circle. And inside this big size quarter circle, there is a circle, a small size complete circle with a radius of √2. Easy. And we have to calculate the area. And this is the radius of the big quarter circle. And radius of the small quarter circle is √2. So if you know the answer, pause the video and comment down the correct answer. So let's proceed. So what I'll do, I'll extend this here. So this will be √2, as this is also become radius. O is the center of the circle, and this will also be the radius, and this will also be √2. And let's extend till here, and let's call it x. Easy. So let's call it x. So I've called it x. So now this is also radius, that is also √2, and now it has become a square. It has become a square, so this will be √2. Easy. So now it has become a right angle triangle. So using the Pythagoras formula, we know this is the hypotenuse x. So x square equals √2 square plus √2 square. √2 square plus √2 square. Easy. That means x square equals √2 plus 2 equals 4. That means x equals the square root of 4, that is 2. So this x has become 2. So this x, so let's erase it, the x, and write it 2 instead. So this x has become 2. That means the total length of this radius will be 2 plus √2. That means this a is also radius, and this is also radius. So the radius of the bigger quarter circle. So now we have calculated the radius of the bigger quarter circle is 2 plus √2. Why it is 2 plus √2? Because this length is 2 and this length is √2, and both are radius. This a is also radius and this long thing is also radius. So the total length of the a, that will be 2 plus √2. Now we have to calculate the area. Now this has become 2 plus √2. Easy. So the area of this thing in blue will be the area of the quarter circle minus the area of the smaller circle inside. So this area in blue is area of quarter circle minus area of the smaller circle inside. So the area of the quarter circle would be that equals pi, and the radius is 2 plus 2 r square, 2 plus √2 whole square, and area of the quarter circle will be divided by 4 minus this area of the smaller circle will be pi r square, that is pi, radius is √2 square, divided by 1. Let's write it in that way. Easy. So that equals pi comes like that, a plus b whole square formula, a square is 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 √2, that is 4 √2, plus √2 square is 2 divided by 4 minus √2 square is 2 pi divided by 1. Easy. So next, so that will be equals 4 plus 2 6. So pi multiplied by 6, that is 6 pi plus 4 pi √2. So pi comes multiplied here, minus 2 pi by 1, this is by 4. Easy. So now next, that equals the whole take LCM, 6 pi, and this will be multiplied by 4 because the LCM is 4, minus 8 pi. So this multiplied by 4, 2 pi multiplied by 4, that is 8 pi, and I brought this side, plus 4 pi √2. Easy. So this will be 6 pi minus 8 pi will be a minus 2 pi. So let's write it here. Let's come this side. So 4 pi root 2 minus 2 pi divided by 4. So that equals 4 pi root 2 by 4 minus 2 pi by 4. Easy. So that will be pi root 2 minus pi by 2. Easy. So this will be the final answer, or you can solve it even more. Then also you'll get the answer. So let's solve it a bit further. So yes, like this 4. So we can take from here only. Let's erase it. Let's erase this part. So we can calculate from here only. Let's solve it. So that will be 2 common, 2 take common, 2 take common. So it will be 2 pi root 2 minus pi divided by 4. So yes, 2 and 4 cancels out, 2 remains. So yes, so the final answer will be 2 pi root 2 minus pi divided by 2. So this will be the final answer. You can calculate using calculator the exact the value of the here. So yes, so this was our question. So let me explain you, let me revise it properly so that you can understand it once more time. So let's, yes, so this one, let's clean a bit. Yes, so what we did, so we just extended this and we call it x. We extended this and we knew that this is root 2. We made a square like that, and every size is root 2, root 2. Then we used Pythagoras formula and calculated the value of x. So x plus root 2 will be the radius of the big circle. We found x equals 2. So 2 plus root 2 was the radius of the big quarter circle. So then we calculated the area of the big quarter circle, and subtraction we did by the smaller circle, to get the area of the blue. So if you know any shortcut formula, then please mention it in the comment. And what kind of more Olympiad question you need, please let me know in the comment box. So like, share and subscribe my channel for such more interesting content, and stay tuned for the next video. And one more request, uh, do you like the way I represent it, or should I use whiteboard and blackboard, or should I use whiteboard and a marker? You can comment that also. If you like the digital format, I'll continue it, or if you like a proper whiteboard or chalk format or a marker format, then also take that. So thank you very much for your patience. See you in the next video.